How to use markup and draw in photos in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open Photos library and then open a photo, and here you can see that these three lines, it means edit. Now click on it, and on top you can see the pencil icon. Now click on it, pencil icon, and here you can mark up like that, pen, highlighter and eraser, and here you can draw a straight line like that. Here you can draw a straight line. So this is the way to mark up on photos in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.